Top 5 Best Olive Oil Dispensers. Which olive oil dispenser is best for you? Unlike for wine, aging is harmful to the quality of olive oil. Over time, oxidation can negatively affect its flavor and, perhaps, negate its health benefits. One of these practical and stylish dispensers can help to limit waste and preserve the condition of the oil by shielding it from sunlight, air, and heat. They're also great for assisting with portion control and make pouring easier. AOZITA 17 ounces glass olive oil dispenser. Fine Dine Superior Glass Oil and Vinegar Dispenser.
Whenever I'm eating salads at the table, I always go to the pantry and get out the bottles of oil and vinegar. Instead of keeping this on the table, which I didn't like because it was kind of an eyesore, I decided to pick up the Fine Dine Oil Dispenser 2-pack. Now these are 2 packs of these glass oil dispensers, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing and fill them up and see what they look like. As you can tell from the packaging, you do receive 2 of these items, so there's going to be 2 bottles, but you're also going to get an additional 2 nozzles. So there's going to be 4 nozzles in total, each of them, so that way, if in case one of them, the cap breaks or something, you drop it or whatever, you can still have it. The bottle is really strong. As far as the size, I'm going to go ahead and measure it with the top one so you can see if it fits in your pantry well. So it's right at 12 inches with it opened up. So again, this is just a really nice design. It's got a really wide mouth, and inside of it, you notice right here, this is the filter. The reason why it has a filter is if you're using oil and you want to throw like black peppercorn or some type of other herbs inside of it, you can put it on there without it coming out when you're pouring. On the bottle itself, it is labeled, it is in milliliters. So 500 milliliters is 17 ounces. I don't want to go any more. It can go up to 18 ounces, but I think the 500 milliliters or 17 ounces is perfect where you can stop at. Again, I have a really big bottle of oil, but for me, that's just all that I need, and it just looks nice. It feels good, and it pours easily when you do it that way. So I'm doing the same thing with the red wine vinegar.
EHOMEA2Z Italian Glass Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. Olive oil sprayer for cooking. Oil sprayer for cooking.
To think about where you want, bucket down gun. Where you want that pipe down man. Where you want, bucket down gun. Get cooking, get to think about where you want, bucket down gun. Where you want that pipe down man. Where you want, bucket down gun. Get cooking, get think about where you want, bucket down gun. Where you want that pipe down man. Where you want, bucket down gun. Get Where you want that pipe?
Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box. Like, comment.